The FDL Earth System Lab has been pushing the edge of AI application in understanding our changing climate and how we can be better stewards of our biosphere. AI is becoming a powerful tool in both understanding complex systems and the implications of decisions we make collectively and as individuals. We asked 3 of our senior FDL faculty team to reflect on progress, what we now know how to do, and give us a glimpse of what the future holds.
We're moving towards a point where I do think AI is going to be in most places, and for good reason. I think it's actually very powerful as a statistical tool, as a tool for also informing humans. It's got a lot of capacity, and in a sense you've got some big black box that's a jack of all trades, but you could also tune it to be a master of some. So it's very versatile. But yeah, I really enjoy the fact that upon application, once we sort of zoom into specific use cases, you can sort of also find interpretable equivalents of AI and, unpack it into why it's behaving the way it is, how it converges asymptotically, let's say, to some other sort of equivalent, much more basic model. So it's really cool because it's really powerful, it's really versatile, but it's also, at the end, once you've actually zoomed into a specific use case, kind of interpretable if you actually try and unpack it. I'm quite excited to see what we are able to do in the future.
I think some of the most exciting stuff that's going to come out of the current pace of AI development is the linking of concepts that weren't linked previously. So if you take an LLM, it knows about loads of stuff. And it doesn't matter, even if you think oh, they're only as good as a high schooler in terms of knowledge. The one thing that these things have got is all of that knowledge in one place, and humans just simply cannot hold that. We don't have that kind of capacity for facts. We don't have that capacity for, even if, let's say, AI development stalls, what these things do have is this connections between subjects and concepts that I think it would be incredibly difficult for humans to replicate without a lot of effort. And so that, I think, is where a lot of exciting stuff is going to happen, is the linking of things that weren't previously linked in a sort of cross-domain.
Something that I enjoy that to me is very valuable in FDL, it is the level of exposure. It really is an opportunity to shine, but it's an opportunity. People have to grab it. It's an opportunity to shine in front of a very wide, worldwide audience of people from NASA, from ESA. Usually each one of us individually will never have this opportunity. I try with the teams that I work with, I try to make emphasis on the opportunities there, but it's up to the people to grab it.
FDL Earth Systems Lab has shown the way in the application of AI to the stewardship of our planetary spaceship. We thank our advisors, guest experts, partners, and lastly, FDL's amazing researchers for the last 10 years of inspiration.